In this video, I'll show you how you can install Python on your PC. Now this is really simple, guys. All you have to do is Google Python, head over to python.org, go to downloads and select whatever you're on. Now I'm on Windows, so I'll select Windows. And then in here you can see all of the releases. Now usually you would just select the latest one, so that's what I'm gonna choose. And then you wanna scroll down until you find the download section. In here you wanna download the installer, and you can check if you're further to a 64-bit by searching for system information. And as you can see, I'm 64, so I'll get the 64-bit one. Then simply press on the installer, and it's gonna make you an installer. Now, if it's an installer, that means basically all you have to do is run it and then press next and select which ones you want to have. So you can just select it, next, 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 and it's gonna install itself on its own. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.